Good morning. Hope you're all doing fine and well during this pandemic period. Please follow Government of India rules and regulations and stay safe. Take care of your family, friends, and others. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the most important and pressing issue, that is vaccination, research, medicine, and the world. See, when the First World War happened, nearly 20 million people died and 21 million people got wounded in the First World War. In the 20 million people died in the First World War, 10 million were civilians, around less than 10 million were military soldiers. Second World War, 75 million people died, 20 million soldiers, 40 million civilians. See, in this particular period of biological war or leakage from lab, Wuhan virus or whatever it may be called, 152 million cases, 152 million cases throughout the world, death already surprising 3 million throughout the world. After developing countries, developed countries, Europe, US or Japan or Canada, developing poor and vulnerable countries are getting severely affected by this pandemic. What was their mistake? Why they were forced for this disease, pandemic, and why they have to repay it is the question we have to see. See, when smallpox came in 1790s, when it was discovered by Edward Jenner, Britain and Spain took to the world for next 10 years. Smallpox was wiped. During the period of Cold War, US, USSR fought through the UN or the other organizations, measles, mumps, infections were fought. So now, today, when example, Pfizer makes BioNTech the medicine, 280 components come from different sources. Now the question is, the vaccines, either from Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, AstraZeneca, which they have produced, today Moderna medicine has been recognized by WHO for emergency use. We have Pfizer BioNTech, AstraZeneca SK Bio, even Serum Institute of India's and Janssen are on the emergency list. Question comes now, whatever the patents, yes, billions of money has been spent for the research. When the billions of money has been spent on the research, when the world is under the panic and everybody, a son, a father, grandfather, a peasant, a laborer, a doctor, engineer, a poor man, a beggar, everybody for their no reason are being affected, should not they be given the medicine? Now Microsoft founder earlier for Mr. Bill Gates has said very clearly that no, the whatever patents are there, it should not be shared. But some other people like Gavi, Global Vaccine Alliance, they also say that whatever is patents are there, it has to be saved because there can be misuse, or some countries like China and Russia can misuse. But the question is, Yes, China or Russia can misuse it. But what about the other countries? What about the small countries, medium countries, poor countries who are in civil war, who don't have democracy, who don't have freedom, who are suffering under jihad terrorism, or other people who are suffering from some or the other form of poverty? Developing countries, like some of the small, medium, vulnerable countries, they pay more debt than they have to spend on the health. So now the question is coming is, where the patents think people's make it as a people's vaccine for public good. Yes, you have to take your money. You take your money. The governments of the world should tell the rich pharmaceutical companies, you take some money, or you take from somebody some money, or the world nations should give them some money, and the ingredients, the manufacturing has to be given to all the bottom countries of the world. No country, nobody should become a victim because he is not having that particular medicine. Yes, there is a shortage of oxygen, there is a shortage of medicine. See, because this all shortages was not, we thought it will happen. It is created by some external forces. We did not do anything. It was external forces who did. So now, still now we don't know what happened. Where did the leakage of this Wuhan virus lab happened? Though the one team went to investigate it, WHO team, now Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, he is saying second time, the WHO Director General, that second investigative phase is necessary. So many scientists throughout the world are also asking that there should be second investigation and know which country did it, why it did it, and who are the companies, who are the particular individuals who are responsible for the spread of this type of things, so that world knows the justice. See, I wrote even a letter to the United Nations Secretary General. This is a genocide which has been created on the world. As I said at the first, in World War I, 20 million people died, including civil and military. World War II, 75 million died, civilian and the military. Equally, both, civilian and military equally. Now, cases only 152 million, and the death is already surpassed First World War. That is now it is around, it is getting surpassed to the, it is going to reach the First World War's level, 3 million, and it is going to go up. See, First World War, Second World War, that time there was no technology, there was no advancement in medical, there was no advantage, there was no supply chain, there was no proper logistics. But today we have everything. After 20 million, even 3 million died. That's a really, it's an injustice against humanity. We founded the UN with the succeeding generations should not go for war. But what is happening? We are in biological war. Please, we respect Microsoft, we respect Bill Gates, patents we respect. But today, for the public good of the world, for the people of the world, taking humanitarian as a consideration, the patents which are there has to be completely given to few countries, democratic countries you share, so that all our people will get the medicines. Poor, vulnerable, and even within developing countries, we are having so much of social stratifications. Getting medicines to everybody is also a challenge. There can be artificial storage or anything else. The governments are doing something to get the people get all vaccinated. So in this time, if the developed, everybody comes together, it will be a very big success. For example, in India, when there is a shortage of ventilator, PPE kits, oxygen, medical oxygen, or when we are having any other shortage, drugs, or the medicines, or the raw material shortages, interconnected world, US or Russia, or even Europe, or even UAE, or Singapore, or Thailand, all coming together to fight for the common good will be very important. Because ultimately, Manava Dharma, human values, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is very important. So, the scientific discoveries is for the world's, everybody's well-being. How smallpox was wiped, how plague was fought, measles was fought, mumps or infections were fought. We have to fight this. Thank you very much.